I walked out the front door this morning. There was a squirrel sitting like right there, like two feet from the door. He just like, oh, crap.
Too cold to move quick.
Oh, he booked it pretty good. Oh, I don't know what to do with this thing. His buddies dared him to touch the doorknob. Well, good morning, everybody. And look where we are. We're back. There's the spar we left the other day, and now it's down to 20 feet or so. There's no weight over the roof anymore. It's got a slight lean, but it's going to come over easy. We've got a come along set up directly in line with where we're going to fall it, in line with, can't talk right now, to this other tree we're taking down after. So Jacob's grabbing a saw right now. Oh, hello. Jacob's grabbing a saw right now, and then we're going to fell this sucker and then start on this one. So we'll see how it goes. Didn't it cause a split? Oh. So we ended up just spiking up it and then dropping chunks, and then we dropped the chunk. We just didn't like the way it was trying to fall, so decided to not go with that. So those two are down. We got to run a couple errands. We'll come back. We'll probably clean that up a little bit before we start on this one. Hopefully this one doesn't necessarily look like the most fun with that tangled up in there, but it should be manageable. It's gonna have to be manageable. That was probably good. I hope the camera can. That worked so good. And I survived. Okay guys, I think that's where we're gonna have to wrap this up for today. Again, we don't normally work this slow, but we've just had other stuff we've had to work around. But so that's what's left. Like basically nothing. And the rest of it should come down quick. So like and subscribe, comment, ask me stuff, and we are out. Might as well be swinging at a tire.